Struggling to eat healthy with a busy schedule? Welcome to a world where nutritious meals don't require hours of kitchen labor. Today, we delve into the realm of quick anti-inflammatory recipes designed specifically for busy people just like you. Imagine meals that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also actively work to reduce inflammation in your body. Foods that are not simply sustenance, but also a form of medicine. We're talking about meals made with ingredients known for their natural anti-inflammatory properties. These are meals that support heart health, aid digestion, and promote recovery, enhancing your overall well-being. Whether you're juggling a hectic work schedule, managing a bustling household, or just find yourself constantly on the go, there's no need to compromise on health. You'll soon discover that eating healthy can be as simple as it is effective. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be difficult, just simple, consistent, and effective. Ever wondered how certain foods can help fight inflammation in your body? The answer lies in the healing power of nature and the incredible benefits of anti-inflammatory foods. Inflammation is your body's natural response to protect itself against harm. However, chronic inflammation, which is prolonged and low grade, can contribute to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain types of cancers. But here's the good news. You can combat inflammation by making simple changes to your diet. Anti-inflammatory foods are rich in antioxidants, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to inflammation. So, what are these anti-inflammatory foods? They include leafy greens like spinach and kale, fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, and spices like turmeric and ginger. These foods are not only packed with antioxidants, but also provide a host of other benefits. Let's talk about heart health. Foods like fatty fish, nuts, and seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and keep your heart healthy. Berries, on the other hand, are rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels, further promoting heart health. When it comes to digestion, foods like ginger, turmeric, and leafy greens come to the rescue. They contain compounds that aid in digestion and help soothe the digestive tract, reducing inflammation. If you're into fitness and often deal with muscle soreness, anti-inflammatory foods can help with recovery too. Berries, cherries, and turmeric are excellent for this. They contain compounds that help reduce muscle inflammation and soreness, promoting quicker recovery after workouts. The benefits of these anti-inflammatory foods go beyond just combating inflammation. They help boost energy, improve brain health, support weight management, and contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating these foods into your diet can bring about a significant change in your health. They are nature's gift to us, and by making them a part of our meals, we can nurture our bodies, reduce inflammation, and lead a healthier, more vibrant life. Now that we know the benefits, let's dive into some quick and easy recipes. First up is the ever versatile turmeric ginger smoothie. This golden drink is not only refreshing but also packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients. Turmeric, the star of the show, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Ginger, another key player, is known for its immune boosting and inflammation fighting properties. Blend these with some banana for creaminess, a dash of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption, and a drizzle of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Next, let's prepare a vibrant berry spinach salad. Berries are rich in antioxidants known to combat inflammation, while spinach offers a healthy dose of vitamin K, further enhancing the body's defense against inflammation. Toss in some walnuts for a crunch and omega-3 fatty acids, and top it all off with a tangy balsamic dressing. It's a bowl full of flavors and health benefits. Now how about a hearty quinoa and lentil bowl? Both quinoa and lentils are high in fiber and protein, aiding in digestion and providing sustained energy. They also contain important minerals like magnesium and zinc, which are known to fight inflammation. Add some colorful veggies for extra nutrients and a burst of flavor. A drizzle of olive oil rich in monounsaturated fats ties everything together and enhances the anti-inflammatory benefits of this dish. For a sweet treat, let's whip up some blueberry almond oat bars. These bars are filled with whole oats, almonds, and blueberries, all of which are known to combat inflammation. The fiber from the oats and almonds helps to regulate blood sugar levels, while the blueberries provide a hefty dose of antioxidants. These bars are perfect for a quick breakfast or an on-the-go snack. Lastly, let's not forget about hydration with a cucumber mint infused water. This refreshing drink is more than just a thirst quencher. Cucumbers are full of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, while mint aids digestion and adds a refreshing twist. It's a simple way to stay hydrated and reap health benefits at the same time. Remember, the beauty of these recipes lies in their simplicity and versatility. Feel free to mix and match ingredients based on your preferences and what you have on hand. The key is to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet consistently, not just as a one-off. With these recipes, you can enjoy delicious meals while also giving your body the nutrients it needs to fight inflammation. So get creative in the kitchen and start giving your meals an anti-inflammatory boost. Scene script. Worried about finding time to prepare these meals? We've got you covered. Let's dive right into some practical meal prep ideas and tips that can help you save time in the kitchen. First up, planning. It's essential to plan your meals ahead of time. Over the weekend, take a few minutes to jot down what you'll be eating for the week. This not only saves time, but also ensures you're eating balanced meals throughout the week. Next, how about prepping some ingredients in advance? Think about the food you eat regularly. Are there ingredients you could chop, marinate, or cook ahead of time? For instance, if you're a fan of stir fries, you could cut up your veggies and store them in the fridge. Or if you enjoy salads, why not prepare a big batch of dressing to use throughout the week? Another time-saving tip is to cook in large quantities. You could roast a big tray of anti-inflammatory vegetables, cook a pot of quinoa, or grill several chicken breasts at once. These can be used in different meals throughout the week, saving you the trouble of cooking every day. Batch cooking is also a great way to save time. Make a big pot of soup or stew and freeze individual portions for later. These can be quickly reheated for a nutritious meal when you're pressed for time. Don't forget about breakfast. Overnight oats, chia pudding, or hard-boiled eggs can all be prepared the night before for a quick and healthy start to your day. Finally, consider investing in some kitchen gadgets that can make your life easier. A slow cooker or instant pot can help you prepare meals with minimal effort. A good food processor can save you time on chopping and grating, and a blender is essential for smoothies and sauces. But remember, the key to successful meal prep is to keep it simple. Choose recipes with few ingredients that are easy to prepare. And don't worry if you don't stick to your plan perfectly. The goal is to make healthy eating more convenient, not to add stress to your life. Remember, a little preparation can go a long way in maintaining a healthy diet. Healthy eating is not just about the food you eat, but also about how you prepare and consume it. In our journey today, we've explored the benefits of anti-inflammatory foods, showcasing how they boost energy, aid recovery, and support long-term well-being. We've also dived into quick, nutritious recipes that can be whipped up in no time, perfect for those with a busy schedule. Remember, the key to a healthier lifestyle begins in your kitchen. By incorporating ingredients known to fight inflammation naturally, you're not only nourishing your body but also fortifying it against potential health issues. And the best part, these meals don't require hours of laborious cooking. A little bit of meal prep goes a long way in ensuring you have nutritious options readily available, even on the busiest of days. If you want simple ways to stay healthy, subscribe to HealthProLife. Comment healthy and start upgrading your diet today.